हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा वर्ल्ड जियोग्राफी एटा जहाँ ओडिशार जिते सब एग्जाम हम आग को ताहापाई इम्पोर्टेंट। चलतु देखा फास्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द फादर ऑफ जियोग्राफी? राइट आंसर इज इरास्टोथेनिस। नेक्स्ट 2 नंबर, वर्ल्ड जियोग्राफी एडॉप्ट इन मैंने वर्ल्ड जियोग्राफी केबे एडॉप्ट करा जायतिला? सेकेंड सेंचुरी बीसी बाय द ग्रीक स्कॉलर इरास्टोथेनिस। नेक्स्ट 3 नंबर, द टू मेन ब्रांच ऑफ जियोग्राफी। जियोग्राफी रो दीटा ब्रांच कौन कौन? गोटे है ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी आ गोटे फिजिकल जियोग्राफी। नेक्स्ट 4 नंबर, व्हाट इज द ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी? ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी मनीष जियोग्राफी कौन? स्टडी ऑफ सोशल साइंस, पीपुल, कम्युनिटी एंड कल्चर। नेक्स्ट 5 नंबर, व्हाट इज फिजिकल जियोग्राफी? फिजिकल जियोग्राफी कौन? चेंजेस इन फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस। नेक्स्ट 6 नंबर, द साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ लैंड फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड, माने लैंड फॉर्म रो साइंटिफिक स्टडी को कौन कहा जाए बोली पचारि। तो राइट आंसर इज ताहाकू जियोमोर्फोलॉजी कहा जाए। नेक्स्ट 7th नंबर, द स्टडी ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर ऑन अर्थ एंड अदर प्लैनेट इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट 8 नंबर, द स्टडी ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज कॉल्ड क्लाइमेटोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट 9 नंबर, द स्टडी ऑफ सॉइल इज कॉल्ड पेडोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट 10 नंबर, द स्टडी ऑफ ग्लासियर एंड आइस शीट इज कॉल्ड ग्लासियोलॉजी। 11th, द स्टडी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स of organism with their environment is called biology. 12th number, who was the first person to calculate the circumference of the earth and its axis? Right answer is Eratosthenes. 13th number question, who created the first map of world? Right answer is Anaximander. 14, who made the first map in India? Right answer is Annibale. 15, who was first person the Indian on the world map? Right answer is Ptolemy. Next, who wrote the book Anthropogeography? Right answer is Frederick Radzel. Next, universe of the study of universe is called cosmology. The study of heavenly body is known as astronology. 19th, the name of the nearest galaxy is Andromeda. 12th number, what is the name of the our galaxy? Right answer is Milky Way ba Akasha Ganga. Next 21, who said that the earth is the center of universe and the sun and the others heavenly body revolve around it? एटा प्टोलेमी कहिथिले। 22, who said the sun is the center of universe and not the earth? Right answer is Copernicus. 23, who said the sun is the center of solar system and not the universe? Right answer is Kepler कहिथिले। Next 24th, structurally the galaxy are found in माने कितटा टाइप रे गैलेक्सी मिली थांती? राइट आंसर इज तीनोटी फॉर्म रे मिली थांती, स्पाइराल बा स्पाइराल आर्म रे, आ गोटे हला एलिप्टिकल बोले विदाउट स्पाइराल आर्म रे, आ गोटे इरेगुलर नो शेप। नेक्स्ट 25, द शेप ऑफ मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी एंड एंड्रोमेडा गैलेक्सी इज स्पाइराल। नेक्स्ट 26, the three main theory origin and evolution of universe are Big Bang theory, steady state, आ गोटे है the pulsating theory. Next, who proposed Big Bang theory? Right answer is Georges Maitre. 28. The electrically charged gas is called plasma. 29. Full form of SSSB, small solar satellite system body. 30 number. Who discovered the solar system? Right answer is Copernicus. 31. Our solar system consists of, our solar system कौन कौन नहीं गठित? Right answer is the sun, 8 planets, satellites, 5 dwarf planet, asteroid, comets and dust and gas. Next 32. The size of solar system has been estimated about 10 to the power 5 AU, astronomical unit. Next, sun, the sun. Which energy comes from sun? Right answer is thermal energy. What type of the star is the sun? Right answer is yellow dwarf. 35. Which star is nearest to the sun? Right answer is Proxima Centauri. 36. The shape of the sun is spherical. Which is more than 99% of mass of the solar system? Right answer is the sun. Next, 38. What is the major source of energy of solar system? Right answer is the sun. By which reaction that convert hydrogen into helium in the core of the sun? Right answer is nuclear fusion. 40 number. The glowing surface of the sun is called photosphere. 41. Above the photosphere is the red color surface of the sun is called chromosphere. Next, the two main gases present in the sun है hydrogen helium. Next, the surface temperature of sun है 6000 degrees Celsius. 44. The sun is how many times bigger than the earth? Right answer is 10 to the power 9 times. Which part of the sun is easily visible only during the total solar eclipse? Right answer is corona. 46. Temperature of the core in the sun है 15 into 10 to the power 6 degrees Celsius. 47. Sun takes 2 to 4 million years to complete one cycle revolution is called cosmic year. Next, 48. The supreme composed on sun white light are hundred of dark line is called Fraunhofer lines. 49th number question. Time taken by sunlight to reach the earth. Right answer is 8 minutes 16.6 seconds. 50 number. The luminous effect of electromagnetic phenomena in the ionosphere is known as aurora. It is a natural light. Next, 51. In the northern hemisphere of earth है aurora borealis. 52. In southern hemisphere earth है aurora australis. 53. Bright spot on the surface of the sun is called pleiades. 54 number. What are the sunspots? Dark patches on the surface of the sun resulting from a localized fall in the temperature about 4000 Kelvin. 55. Who was the first to observe sun spots? Right answer is Galileo. 56. The sun is composed of 71% hydrogen, 26.5% helium and 2.5 others element. 57. The outer layer of the sun atmosphere made of thin hot gases is called corona. Next, the sun is how many times bigger than earth? Right answer is 13 lakhs times. Next, planet. Who discovered planet? Right answer is Kepler. How many planets are there in our solar system? Right answer is 8. A ninth planet has been recently discovered by NASA named as Carla. Which are the interior planet of solar system? Right answer is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Inner planet is also called terrestrial or rock planet. 64. Which are the outer planet of our solar system? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Outer planets are also known as Jovian বা gaseous planet. Nearest planet in the solar system है Mercury. Nearest planet to the sun है Mercury. Fastest revolution in the solar system है Mercury, 88 days. Name of the planet which do not have satellite? Mercury and Venus. Which two planets appears a morning star in the eastern sky and evening star in the western sky? Right answer is Mercury and Venus. Which planet is also called Earth twins? Right answer is Venus. 72 number. Which planet is called the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. Which planet is called the hottest planet? Venus. Contain 99% to 95% CO2. Which planet is called sister of Earth? Venus. Slowest rotation planet in solar system? Venus. Which planet equal rotation and revolution? Venus. The neighboring planet to the Earth है Venus and Mars. Which planet are bigger than the Earth? Right answer is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Which planet is the third planet from Sun? Earth. Which planet nearer star to the Earth? Right answer is the Sun. The densest planet of solar system? Earth. Which planet is called blue planet? Earth, due to presence of water. Which planet is known as red planet? Right answer is Mars, due to iron content. Phobos, Deimos are the satellite of which planet? Mars. Smallest satellite in solar system? Deimos. Which mountain is the 3 times higher than the Mount Everest? Right answer is Nix Olympia, Mars रे अछि. Biggest planet in solar system? Jupiter. Which planet was named after the Roman god Jesus? Right answer is Jupiter. Who discovered the first 4 satellite of Jupiter? Right answer is Galileo. 19 number. Which is the biggest one satellite of Jupiter in solar system? Right answer is Ganymede. Fastest rotation in solar system? Jupiter. Which planet is also known as Lord of Heavens? Right answer is Jupiter. Which planet has the largest number of natural satellites? 67, Jupiter. Which planet has maximum escape velocity? Jupiter. 95. Great red spot seen in which planet? Right answer is Jupiter. Which planet also known as winter planet? Right answer is Jupiter. Temperature very low, minus 148 degrees Celsius. Which is the biggest satellite in Saturn? Right answer is Titan. Atmosphere like Earth. Which of the planet has a ring structure? Right answer is the Saturn, 7 ring. The Saturn ring were discovered by Galileo. Which planet is called the green planet? Uranus. Which planet which planet moves just opposite of Earth? Uranus. Which the first planet to discover with a telescope was Uranus. Which planet is called the coldest planet? Neptune. Farthest planet from Sun है Neptune. Slowest revolution in solar system Neptune. 165 year. Greatest dark spot seen in which planet? Neptune. Which direction of planet revolution around the sun? West to east, but Uranus and Venus revolves from east to west. How many dwarf planets? 5. Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, Haumea. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. In which year Pluto declared dwarf planet? 2006. तापर मून. What are the satellite? Do not have their own light and heat. ताहाकु satellite कहा जाए. The scientific study of moon is called selenology. Which is the sole satellite of Earth? The moon. What is the distance between moon and Earth? About 3,85,000 kilometers. How many days moon takes to revolve around the Earth? 27 1/3 days. The gravitational force at moon is 1/6 of Earth. The time taken by the light to reach on the Earth from the moon is 1.3 seconds. The maximum temperature on the moon at daytime is 100 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature on the moon at night is -1 degree Celsius. Who was the first person who landed on moon on 26 July 1969 AD on Apollo 11? Neil Armstrong. Landing spot is called Tranquility. Next. First dog to go into space? Laika. Maximum distance from Earth to moon is called apogee. The maximum distance from Earth to moon is called perigee. The moon surface is visible from the Earth only 59%. Which is also known as fossil planet? The moon. The size of moon in how much size of the Earth? 1/4. Which element are mainly found on the moon surface? Silicon, iron, magnesium, etc. Highest mountain of moon मान हला Lynch mountain 35,000 feet. Next, the star. Brightest star of outer side solar system है Sirius बा dog star. The closest star of our solar system Proxima Centauri. What is a star? Its own light and heat. A star color indicates the temperature of its surface. Blue color denotes maximum temperature hotter than sun. Next, explosion of the star to from neutron star is called pole star. Next, supernova is a dying star. An upper limit to the mass of star is called Chandrasekhar limit. Chandrasekhar limit is 1.44 times the mass of sun. What is light year? The distance that light can travel in 1 year. 1 light year equal to 9.446 into 10 to the power 11 meter or 60,000 AUS. What is the astronomical unit? The average distance between the sun and earth. One astronomical unit is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. What is parsec? The distance from earth to star. 1 parsec is equal to 3.084 into 10 to the power 16 meter or 3.262 light year. Next, Halley comet can be seen with the naked eye from earth in every 76 years. Last was seen in 1986. Next, the black hole is contract star with intense gravitational pull at the end of the life cycle. Next, what are asteroids? Minor planet revolving the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. What is a shooting star? Another name of the meteoroids. Next, the Earth. The the first day of was celebrated in which year? The first every day. The first Earth Day was celebrated in which year? 22nd 22 April 1970. The average of the Earth estimated at about 4.6 billion years. What is the proposed life of the Earth? 4.6 into 10 to the power 9 years. In which direction of Earth moves? From west to east. What is the shape of the patch in which the Earth moves around Sun? An elliptical path. The words used to describe the shape of Earth is oblate, spheroid. What is the average density of Earth? 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. The percentage of water area covered on Earth, 71%. The percentage of land area covered on Earth, 29%. How much of Earth landed surface in desert? 1/5. Mean surface temperature in Earth, 14 degrees Celsius. Highest temperature record in Earth, 58 degree Celsius. Algeria, Pakhore. The name of the deepest ocean point in Earth, Mariana Trench, Pacific Ocean. When Earth is nearest from Sun, it is called perihelion, 3rd January. When Earth farthest from the Sun, it is called aphelion, 4th July. Next, the inclination of the Earth axis to the orbit plane is 66.5 degree by 66 half degree. The Earth is tilt about 23 degree half. Why the day and night are unequal on the earth? Because the earth axis is tilted. On which day all place on the earth, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere have the day and night equal. 21st, 21st March and 23 September. Next, why are the length of the day and night equal in equator? Because the sun ray vertical over the equator throughout the year. Next, what is equinox? Day and night are equal. 168 number. How many types of equinox? Two types. Vernal equinox and autumnal equinox. On which dates vernal equinox occurs? 21st March. On which dates autumnal equinox occurs? 23 September. On which day all places on the northern hemisphere have the longest day and shortest night? Right answer is 21st June. On which day all places on the northern hemisphere have shortest day and longest night? 22nd December. On which day all places on the southern hemisphere have the longest day and shortest night? 22nd December. On which day all places on southern hemisphere have shortest day and longest night? 21st January is June. Summer solstice in occurs on 21st June northern hemisphere, 22nd December southern hemisphere. Next, winter solstice in occurs on 22nd December northern hemisphere, 21st June southern hemisphere. Next, midnight sun north pole experience day from 21st March and 23rd September. Midnight sun south pole experience day from 23 September and 25 March पर्यंत. What is the maximum length of the day on the poles? 6 months. Which country is known as country of midnight sun? Norway. Next, Earth rotation result in causation of day and night, change in the direction of winds and ocean current, rise and fall of tides every day, a difference of 1 hour between two meridians which are 50 degrees apart. How much time the earth takes to complete the one rotation? 23 hours 56 minutes and 40.91 seconds. The speed of rotation of the earth is highest at equator, 1667 km per hour. The speed of rotation of the earth in decrease at pole, 0. Next, the earth rotates around an axis pointing towards the pole star. The revolution of the earth result in change of season, variation in the length of the day and night at different time of the year, shifting of winds, belt and determination of latitudes. Revolution of earth average orbital velocity is 29.79 km per second. How much time the earth takes to complete one revolution? 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 45.51 seconds. What is leap year? Every 4 year is leap year has 366 days. The month of the February 29 days. এই ପାର୍ଟରେ ଏତିକି ରଖିବା। ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାର୍ଟରେ ଲଙ୍ଗିଚ୍ୟୁଡ଼ ଲେଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ଼ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍।